Hello, my name is Jackie Harkenreiter. I'm a genetic counselor with the University of Texas, and I was tasked this year with creating a video about why I became a genetic counselor. I actually found out about the career or genetic counseling as a profession through my AP biology class in high school. Someone else who had gone to my high school, who had already graduated and started a career as a genetic counselor, came back and had did a little presentation with us about what they did, what a genetic counselor was, what her job was, and I became really interested. I thought it was, I always loved genetics and I thought it was this really very cool, interesting. It was even, younger than it is now. It was a really young profession and I thought, this could be really cool. But I didn't think much more of it after that, other than this is kind of a cool profession. After a few years of college is when I really started to think hard about genetic counseling. I really liked genetics still. I really enjoyed laboratory science and being innovative, but I also wanted more of to see the human side of what I was doing. I really wanted to go into healthcare of some sort, but I didn't want to be a doctor. And I didn't love the idea of being like a nurse or an MP or a PA. So I started looking at sort of allied healthcare professions or things you can do in healthcare that aren't that work with patients directly but aren't so hands-on, I guess. And that's again, I went back to genetic counseling and said, this seems like it's a master's degree. I don't have to go to as much school. It's you're seeing patients from the very, very beginning. There aren't as many years of just formal classes. It's got great potential. There are so many different roles I can take within this. There's so many different places that you can go with it all over the country, right? So I really, started to think hard about it. I did a bunch of advocacy work, I did a bunch of research, I shadowed a genetic counselor, and I eventually decided this is something that I wanted to do. That I wanted to turn my passion for genetics into my profession. And I wanted to be able to share that passion with other people. I became a prenatal genetic counselor. Through my training, I decided that I wanted to be able to work with women during pregnancy about, um, you know, some of the hardest things and some of the most challenging things that can happen during a pregnancy. I wanted to be able to be there for women during that time, or really for families during that time. If you have any questions about genetic counseling as a profession, the National Society of Genetic Counselors is our professional organization. They have a lot of great resources for prospective students about the profession and what you need to do to get in, all of those types of things, what the prereqs are. If the other good resource, I work for the University of Texas and we have a genetic counseling program. The website for that is really, really helpful. And you can always leave comments below and I would love to answer some of them. I'll link those websites below too, as well as another YouTube video TED Talk that's more about what a genetic counselor does on a daily basis and more about genetic counseling as a profession. Yeah, so if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you for watching.